Basic information for mobile repairing for beginners. Hello, I have come back again after many days with this very interesting, knowledgeable and important article only for you. Today, we are going to discuss about the history of mobile phone, parts and components, power section, problem and solution, mobile repairing tools, mobile software solution. Some institute provides you mobile repairing courses in certain amount. There are so many mobile shopkeeper in your place who manipulates you for mobile repairing. Guys, this article is very important for you if you want to know about basic mobile repairing tips. Because this article for those people who wants to learn mobile repairing from basic to higher level free. This article helps you to grow your knowledge about the internal parts of mobile phone.